This is what it looks like when basically 100 people jump out of the same plane. I gotta add that I think it's pretty funny that everyone's pretty much falling at the exact same speed, so it looks like everyone's just hovering upside down, when they're really just falling to their death if they didn't have a parachute. That was a top fuel dragster accelerating 300 miles per hour in just 4 seconds. And this is the Bergenstock Hotel pool above Lake Lucerne. It's a little bit more relaxing. This bird is about to hit the sickest whoa you'll ever see. Cows are just big farm dogs, and you can't prove me wrong. Somebody made Rocket League into a real sport using bikes and a soccer ball. This Dachshund just learned that being an adult actually has responsibilities. It doesn't look too happy about it. This man, found a 5-leaf clover. That's pretty lucky. This is salt fractionation, where two liquids will never mix. Acetone, which is blue in this case, and dense salt water, which is orange, never mix due to certain chemical bonds, so salt fractionation occurs. Basically, in stupid people terms, this goes from mixed to unmixed just by itself. Also, if you're a stupid person, you probably aren't subscribed and haven't liked the video yet, so make sure to do that. Hopefully, you found this at least somewhat interesting.